Hi, I'm Ellen.
And I'm Sharon.
And we are Two Ladies Buy Houses.
Houses.
Today we want to talk to you guys a little bit more about mortgage forbearance. It's been a term that's been in the news a lot this past year, and it actually still is a very active topic to this day. So we actually went onto consumerfinance.gov and got the definition for you guys. So forbearance is when your mortgage servicer, that is the company that sends your mortgage statement and manages your loan, or a lender allows you to pause or reduce your payments for a limited period of time. Forbearance does not erase what you owe. You'll have to repay any missed or reduced payments in the future. Yeah.
Yes, and I do want to mention this again. It's that you do have to pay it back on a mortgage forbearance. The banks will automatically pay your insurance and taxes if you have an escrow account. So you'll see a negative amount in your escrow account if that's what you have. But all of that money does need to be repaid in a mortgage forbearance. Different banks have different policies and procedures and rules that they follow. However, if you've got an FHA, Freddie Mac, Fannie Mae, a VA, a USDA loan, any loan that is government backed, they have their own rules that they must follow. And please be aware that you do have to apply for a mortgage forbearance. Mortgage forbearances are not just automatically given. You will also probably need to check in with your loan servicer throughout the whole mortgage forbearance process, because they want to make sure that you're still in the same situation. Another thing to keep track of is get it all in writing.
Yes, you say something.
Yeah, get it all in writing.
Yeah. We highlight that specifically because every bank or every lender has different rules, regulations, policies in place. And those policies, to be honest, it's legal talk. Like, it's not language a regular person uses on a daily basis.
That's true.
So if you hear your bank or your lender talk about this on the phone, it may not all register, or not everything will click immediately what it means. So if you get it in writing, you actually have a piece of paper or a document that you can reflect back on. And I'm gonna be honest, I've Googled terms. I had to.
Oh yeah, I've searched them.
Yeah.
I've searched them online, yes.
Because you have to. You have to understand what it is that is expected of you. You have to understand what it is that you need to do on your end to make sure that you comply by the rules and regulations that your bank or your lender has set up for this forbearance. And sometimes that just means Googling information, asking questions about what everything means, so you fully understand what it is that you apply for, how forbearance impacts you, and how you can actually stay in, well, your lender's good side by staying on track of your
Right.
forbearance plan.
Right.
Yeah.
The other thing is that when you do get it in writing, you are going to see that it could very well be mortgage forbearance, subject to change. So this is why it's very important, if you do apply for a mortgage forbearance, that you get everything in writing about your
Yes.
mortgage forbearance.
Exactly. And quite often, this isn't the case with every bank or lender, but quite often in a forbearance situation, you do need to check in with your lender or with your bank once a month. That term is subject to every lender, so it may change, it may be more, it may be less, but about once a month to check in with them. And at that time, ask them, is anything changing in the rules and regulations?
Yes,
Like, do I
very
need
good
to
point.
do I need to, I don't know, call more, call less? Do I need to provide more documentation? All of that is subject to any particular bank or lender and their forbearance policies. So check in. Obviously, forbearance is one route that you can take to kind of cover this really weird period in time. If you feel like, hey, I may want to consider other options, feel free to reach out to us. We
Absolutely.
try to help homeowners with plenty of options, and we want to make that very clear. You have options.
Yes.
So you can actually reach out to us on our website at
TwoLadiesBuyHouses.com.
or give us a call, and either ourselves or our staff will help you out. You can reach us at 512-456-3320.
Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and follow us on Facebook at Two Ladies Buy Houses. So we'll see you on the next video.
See you soon. Bye.